Good morning, Math Masters, you fabulous fourth graders of room 504. Mr. Leggett here with Eureka Math in the morning. Eureka, a Latin phrase that, when translated to English, means I have found it. And what have we found? We have found the best way to learn math, which is more valuable than gold itself. Our objective today is to use place value understanding to fluently decompose to smaller units, not unites, multiple times in any place using the standard subtraction algorithm. So multiple times in any place using the standard subtraction algorithm. And apply the algorithm to solve word problems using tape diagrams. Yes, not ape diagrams, but tape diagrams. So let's dive right in to our fluency practice. This is approximately 4 minutes long. So here we go. I'm going to start off with just some find the difference. We have 846 minus, go ahead and write this down. You are copycats right now. Do not solve yet. Let's write down all the problems before we start to solve them, okay? Copy this down. Remember to line up those place values, otherwise you will not get the correct answer. All right, once you've finished writing these all down, go ahead and start working on them. If you still have some questions about decomposing all that, stay with me, all right? So 6 subtract 4 is 2. 4 tens minus 0 tens remains 4, and 8 hundredths minus 3 hundredths is 5. Go to the next problem. Maybe we could letter these A, B, C, D, and E. Go to problem B. 8 minus 4 is 4. 5 tens minus 0 tens remains 5. 0 hundredths minus 0 hundredths is 0. And 8 thousandths minus 5 thousandths, well, that would be 3. Head down here. 935 and 17. This looks like we're going to have to decompose. So right off the get-go, I can't take 7 ones away from 5 ones. It just cannot be done. So we're going to decompose from the tens. I'm taking 1 10 away and I'm giving it to that 5. What's 10 plus 5? 15. So now I'm ready to subtract. 15 minus 7. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 2 tens minus 1 10 is 1 10, and bring down the 9, 918. And if you added 918 to 17, that's what you would get. Head over here, and it looks like right off the bat, once again, I cannot take 5 ones away from 3 ones, so I'm going to have to decompose the tens, bring 10 over here, one of the tens. This becomes 10 plus 3, which is 13. 13 minus 5, 12, 11, 10, 9, and 8. And then we go over here. I cannot take 6 tens away from 1 10. You can't take 60 away from 10. So we'll decompose in the hundredths. I bring 10 tens over here, and this becomes 10 tens plus 1 10, right? So it's 11 tens. 11 tens minus 6. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. I can't subtract 8 hundredths from 5 hundredths, so I'm going to get 10 hundredths from the thousands column. What is 10 hundredths plus 5 hundredths equal? That's 15 hundredths. 15 minus 8. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. 9, 8, 7. And then we just bring down to 3 to get 3,758. Okay, let's go to our last problem here. It's 45,835 minus 2,904. So I know that 5 ones minus 4 ones is 1 1. 3 tens minus 0 tens remains 3 tens. Oh, time to decompose. I cannot take 9 hundredths away from 8 hundredths. So we're going to decompose 1,000. Bring 10 hundredths over here. and that will become 1800ths, right? 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 minus 9, well, I know 9 times 2 is 18, so 18 minus 9 must be 9. 4 thousandths minus 2 thousandths is 2 thousandths, and bring down the 4. We have 42,931. We're going to go ahead and make a place value chart for this one. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10 thousands. And let's go ahead and make the number, just so we can really see what this is all about. We have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's not going to show up too well. Let's go back to black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. 8 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 45,835. Okay, we're subtracting now. So 5 minus 4, doink, 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 is indeed 1. The 3 remains the same because we're not subtracting anything. Let's go to our hundredths. Remember, we had to decompose because we only have 8 hundredths and we have to subtract 9 hundredths. So I'm going to cross that guy out. Bring me here and put 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because 10 hundredths equals 1,000, remember? And we're going to subtract 9 of these. All right, are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. What are we left with? 8, our original 8, plus one of those was a 9. How many thousands do we have? Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, excuse me. We're going to subtract 2 over here, right? So we have 2 left, and then no 10,000 subtracting. So we have 42,931. Go and take a little break, stretch out, get some water, go to the restroom, tell mom and dad you love them, hug your baby brother or sister, tease your older brother or sister, and come on back for the application problem. Thank you so much.